Baking is science, they say. It's also a survival story, I added. And this cookie is a story of failed batches, flat cookies, and burnt bottoms. This isn't just a chocolate chunk cookie. This is my victory batch, my version made with accurate measurements. I tried 20-30 times, tweaking, failing, adjusting, and figuring out the perfect measurement. So, anybody who follows this recipe my way can never fail for sure. So, watch every step as it is loaded with tips and tricks. Let's get started with soft salted butter. Not melted, not cold, just soft enough to mix easily. Now add white powdered sugar and brown sugar in a ratio of 3:1. I have taken here 75 grams of white sugar and 25 grams of brown sugar. In total 100 grams. This combo is what gives the cookie that bakery style texture. And yes, this recipe uses much less sugar than the commercial version, but still gives perfect flavor. Whisk this well for 3 to 4 minutes. It should turn fluffy and smooth. Yes, your arms will complain, but your taste buds will thank you. Now look at the mixture. It has become very fluffy, smooth and creamy. This is how it should be. Now add baking soda and milk. This gives lift and helps fluff it up. Whisk again for 30 seconds. As we are making eggless cookies, so here comes the eggless twist. Mix 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon water and 1 teaspoon baking powder. This is my tried and tested egg replacement. Pour it into the butter sugar mix and whisk again until it turns creamy and glossy. This cookie is going to blow your mind, so hit that subscribe button before you miss the magic. This is how it should look. Now we are going to add flavor bomb, vanilla essence. Time to bring in refined flour, the hero that holds it all together. Use the cut and fold method. This keeps the dough light and airy. And yes, all the measurements are given in grams and ml because 1 cup means 100 different cups in 100 households. Let's not play this guess games with cookies. Remember, precision equals perfection. The dough is almost ready, but now it's time for the soul of the cookie. The chocolate chunks. Use good quality dark chocolate and cut it into big uneven chunks. This part is so fun. It gives that rustic, rich, chunky cookie look. Add these chocolate babies to the dough. Cut and fold again few times and tada! It's ready. Now scoop out the dough using an ice cream scooper or spoon and place it on your baking tray. Now keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. This is an important step. This helps prevent the cookies from spreading too much. If you don't keep it in fridge, the cookies will become flat. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Let me know in the comment section if you want the recipe without oven. Now time to bake. Put the cookies in oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. I love watching the cookies rise in the oven. It's like watching your dreams manifest in real time. The cookies are ready, but right now it's very soft. So let it cool down for a few minutes so that cookies can hold shape and be firm. Look at the top, cracked and loaded with chocolates. The base is golden and crisp and has airy pocket. Let's break it open. Look at that gooey center. You see those pores? That's the sign of a cookie with soul. If you watched this far, admit it, you are drooling. I have failed and cracked this recipe in order to present no fail cookie recipe for you. Try this mama made magic and let me know in the comment section how did it turn out.